Hi friends, today we are going to learn about difference between the equality operator and equals method in C Sharp. In both the equal operator and the equals method are used to compare two objects or values. However, they behave differently in certain cases, especially when comparing different types like objects versus value types like integers, strings, etc. The equality operator. The equality operator is used for comparing values or references. For value types, it compares the actual values of variables, example int, float, bool. Now let's see one example. Here we have a two variables int a and b. Both the variables we have assigned with 10, 10. Now we are comparing that bool result and we have assigned with a and equal to b. This will give true because the values are equal. For reference types, by default it checks if the references of the objects are the same, whether the both references point to the same object in memory. This means that equality checks two variables references the same instance of an object. For example, if we look at here we have a two variables which is a data type of string, the st1 and str2. Both we have assigned with a string value of hello, and see we are comparing that with the result equal to str1 equal to str2. This also gives true because strings are interned the same references. Now we will see equals method. Purpose: the equals method is used to compare the content or state of the object. For value types, it compares the values just like equality operator for value types. See here we can look at one example. Here we have a two variables int a and int b. We have assigned with number 10 and the result equal to a dot equals b. This will give true because the values are equal. For reference types, by default the equals method compares the object references like equality operator, but this can be overridden in a class to compare the values or properties of the objects instead. We'll see that in code. See here we have a class name called person and we have a property called name which is a getter and setter, and we have a one method here which is a public override. Data return type is bool and the method name is equal. It takes parameter as a object. If ob obj is person, other person, return this dot name equal to other person dot name. This compares names. Otherwise return false. See here we have a class called person which is an anonymous type, which I'm creating a person object which I have assigned name equal to John, and person 2 also I have assigned with John. Now when we see the result person 1 dot equals person 2, this will give true because names are the same. So this can be only valid when it is override. For equals method, now we will see the key differences between equality operator and equals method. Default behavior for value types compares actual values of variables. same as equality operator compares values. Default behavior for reference types compares references memory addresses. Compare references unless overridden in the class. Custom comparison cannot be customized directly for reference types. Can be overridden to compare object properties or state. Use case for reference types. Check if two references point to the same object instance. Can compare the actual data content of two objects if overridden. So friends, this is the difference between equality operator and equals method. Thank you.